your project?
Actually, I really screwed up.
Well, this thing happened. Luckily, no one got hurt.
You did so at our 10-year high school. I renewed, re- so I have heard from you since graduation.
Unfortunately, I was able to make it to the reunion. It's so nice that you caught up with all our classmates.
Yeah, actually, I have kept in touch with some of them over the years. Did you hear that Tom won $1 million at the lottery and lost all the money in 2 years?
No way, you got to be kidding me. How could that happen?
I don't know, beats me.
And did you know that Rob got married with Lindsay?
That figures they've been in love with each another since 10th grade.
Do they have any children?
Not that I know of. Do you still live in San Antonio?
No, I moved to Houston 8 years ago. What about you?
Yes, I still live there.
So, what have you been up to this part? What have you been up the first part 12 years?
Well, I got a degree in finance. Well, in college, I met my husband Nick. After we met, it was a whirlwind romance. We got married about a year after I graduation. We have two children now, Elizabeth and Danny.
Really, that's great to hear. How old are they?
Elizabeth is 3 and Danny is 5.
And where do you work?
After I graduation, I started working at a local bank. But all along, I know finance was not my thing. I had always been into fashion and clothing, but my parents discouraged me to pursue this career. So I finally made up my mind to go for it. I quit my job and started doing tailor from home. Then I rented a place and opened a tailor shop. I started from there and about it beautiful. Naturally, now I am about to open boutique with my own creation.
You rock. I'm really happy for you. I think it takes a lot of guts to start such as this business.
It has been a lot for work, but it's been worth it. Could not ask for more.
It goes to show that it's never too late to change careers and pursue your passion.
I could not agree more.
How about you? What have you been up to all these years?
Well, I studied film and got my degree in cinematography, but filmmaking is not it's credit up to you be. I could not earn a living from the film I was making.
That's self-talk.
Tell me about Tell me about it. I had to work all kinds of jobs for a while just to make ends meet. I painted people house some lawn maintenance. Hence, I worked as a photographer for a 5 years. I have been working in film lately, but I don't know if it's going to be successful.
Just hang it there. The road to success is not easy. Hard work and patience always pay off big time. Going and hopefully you make it in the film industry.
Even if that does happen, I can live with that. I want to be the end if the work if don't make it. I'll do photographs again. That's life. You win some, you lose some.
I can go with that. I may not have the perfect career, but I have a wonderful family. I'm a happy married man with their 3 kids.
Like you, I could be happy for you.
sounds like we've both been busy.
Yeah, Tim has flown B.
Sudah.
Oh iya.